Tall fescue is a cool season grass commonly used as turf, but it is highly invasive and can spread rapidly. A healthy lawn typically consists of a single species of turf for uniformity and easier maintenance. If you have wild, tall fescue growing where it shouldn't, then we'll show you how to identify this weed, how to get rid of it from your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about weed management, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Tall fescue actively grows in relatively cooler temperatures. As a weed, this grass grows in bunches similar to crabgrass that can reach up to 6.5 feet in height. The grass blades grow up to 28 inches long, up to 2/5 of an inch in width, and they have prominent textured veins. This grass flowers from May to June. The flower heads consist of purple spikelets. Keep in mind that tall fescue will reproduce by seed or by rhizome. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Tall fescue grows in moist environments and is commonly found in grasslands, pastures, along roadsides, in ditches, and other disturbed dry or wet areas. It can grow in acidic or alkaline soil with pH levels ranging from 4.5 to 9. This grass is tolerant to heat and drought stress. Early in its growth cycle, look for smaller, shorter clumps of grass that may be dotting your property. These clumps may be slightly different shades of green from your native turf grass. As the plant matures, it will grow taller. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of tall fescue established on your property, we recommend you use Eraser 41% glyphosate. This product is a non-selective herbicide, so be careful during application. Selective control of this grassy weed is not possible on many properties, but a thorough inspection and spot treatments will minimize any damage to your native turf grass. We recommend you use this product with a marking dye like Vision Pro Max, and that you mix and apply your solution with a handheld pump sprayer. Before any application, calculate the square footage of your treatment area. Use this value to determine how much product to use. For spot treatments, mix 2.5 fluid ounces of eraser into 1 gallon of solution to treat 300 square feet. If you're adding Vision Pro Max marking dye, this product is highly concentrated, so you'll only need 1/10 of a fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the plant's leaves are fully coated. Spot spray any tall fescue you've spotted on your property. You should start to see affected plants die within 2 to 4 days, but you may make a reapplication after 7 to 10 days if the weed is particularly hardy. Eraser is a non-selective herbicide and will kill whatever you spray, so be careful when applying near or over turf grass. Areas with turf grass may be reseeded 7 days after application. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. The best way to keep out grassy weeds like tall fescue is to promote your native turf grass's health. Strong, healthy grass leaves less room for weeds to establish themselves in. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. Regularly mow your grass to its proper height. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide your lawn with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage disease. Most lawns require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop weeds like wild-grown tall fescue from taking over your grass, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.